Good morning, students. This is the economics part 7. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the factors affecting to demand. Next topic is demand function. Demand function DN means total number of quantity of goods demanded by consumers. So DN equal function of PN. PN means price of that own quantity. P1 dot dot PN minus 1, that means price of related goods. Either it may be substitute goods or it may be price of complementary goods. Y income of the consumer. T taste and preference of the consumer. And E price acceptation for the future. And G government policy. Now you can say that demand function is the result of the multiplication of all the factors which affected to the demand. Next topic is law of demand. The law of demand states that other things remaining equal. Other things remaining equal means except price, all the factor of production like price of related goods, income of consumers, taste and preference of consumers, future acceptation about the price or government policy, there are no any change. So other things remaining equal means only the price of that own commodity will be changed, and other all the factors of the demand, they will remain same. The quantity demand of a commodity increases when its price falls. Means when the price will fall down, the quantity demand will increase, and when the prices will be increases, the quantity demand will be fall down. So this is the law of demand. Next topic is assumption. Here we take the assumption that other things remaining equal. Now means except the price of that own quantity, rest all the factor affecting to demand will not be changed, like the price of related goods, like the income of consumer, like taste and preference of consumer, and future price expectation and government policy, all will remain the same. This is called the assumption of demand. Thank you.